Fanta. It's in the game. We haven't even seen the nudist colony yet.
Yeah, like Coke or something.
Back on Built Friday, everyone.
This built Sally, this is the abuser.
Oh, that's fair.
Okay guys, we're at camp. Everyone's setting up. Sally's got this rocket ship looking thing. It's setting up. It's very interesting. Sam's got whatever the heck that is.
Oh, it's a pig.
Oh, a bed underneath. Yes, it's very good. And this is Nick's, and he's got a beach shelter looking thing, so it's quite exposed. See how he goes. Then Ben's popping up a pool, just straight up. He's just upside down, and then this is my like teepee looking thing. I'll put a tarp over it, hopefully. But yeah, this is camp for the next 2 nights.
Hey Bill Prado, Sam, back from Fraser Island. I'm going to show you my free camp, so come with me. So, first part, tarp found in hard rubbish. It has holes everywhere, but it'll do. This rope, hard rubbish, and this rope I found on the ground in a park when I was looking for the things under here. So come over, come over. So if you look under here, I have a bed with a pillow pit I found in a dumpster, and then I have a sleeping bag. Now we were allowed a sleeping bag, so that's why this is here. But I've got these bamboo sticks all the way through to hold it up, and I took those from the park next door on like the trees that are like really little and still growing that need them.
You stole them?
Yeah, I took them from them. And so that's my setup. I am a bit worried about mosquitoes and rain coming through the holes in the tub. Other than that, I think I'm pretty sorted.
Hey Bill, Prado, fam, smash that like button. Alright, this is my setup that I got. So I go for a bit of a luxurious setup. I've decided to make myself a croissant. Come around here, let's get into my pastry. I've got sleeping bag set up. I got a pillow that I got at the IGA for 10 bucks because I forgot one, I had to buy it last minute. Sleeping bag, mattress. This here, come around here. The main structure of it is a beach shelter that I got out of a bin behind a, what's it called? Reject shop. You know, it's pretty roomy in there. It's sort of just like a big, yeah, dome. And you got all the essentials. You got night snacks to make sure that your teeth stay small. But yeah, other than that, pretty roomy. Should be pretty good.
As long as it doesn't fall over.
It will. Oh, the only problem that I see happening is it's quite warm in there, and I think a wombat might wander in the middle of the night because I'm like in the wombat pathway. We'll see how it goes, but I might have a friend.
G'day Bill Prado, here's my $30 setup. I've gone simple. It's just a blow-up pole. It cost me 20 bucks from Kmart on sale, and it's actually quite versatile. You can either A, sleep in it as such, or you can even flip it and sleep on top. Beautiful. And then if it starts raining, it's on the ground, and then you got a cover as well. So pretty versatile. 3 ways you can do it. Cost me 20 bucks.
Can you
coming.
Can you lie on it like right now?
Oh yeah.
If you lied on it like that. Sick.
Yeah, but
Oh, that's sick.
Inside Sally's
Your
hut.
legs will stick it anyway.
Looks like you're on acid.
Alright, so hey Bill Prado, this is my setup. It's a cardboard rocket ship that you can colour in, and then we've got the old PE parachute as my tarp. So it's go straight over like this. I'll peg it down at some point. And then come on inside, come on.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Tell me that doesn't look cozy.
Wait, get in there, get in there. Oh, easy to get in?
Yeah. Oh, I see it. Oh, I can stretch out.
And like this, just cover your legs.
Perfect.
Alright, g'day guys, this is my setup. Now I have slightly cheated because the tarp, I didn't think at the time, but it's literally from the camping section at Kmart. But the rest is hard rubbish. So pretty much some old fascia board with 2 bugles in the top. And then I just got some old screws and shot that in. And then pretty much come over here and come inside. It's pretty much just a giant triangle. So that sleeping bag's 2 meters, so it fits a 2 meter bag in there. And then some old sand mat, and then just a thin mattress. And then these straps somewhat make a door, but it's honestly going to be pretty crap. It just looks like that. So the wombats can come in if they need to. And yeah, should be pretty cozy. Hopefully it goes alright.
It's easier to get out because all you have to do is
It's a bit noisy.
attach to the car. Hi, can I please have a popcorn chicken go bucket without the salt?
Oh, flexi boy, oh yeah.
Sexy, flexy.
So zoomed in all the time.
Wait, are you filming this trip?
Yeah.
Hello. My tape's held up.
We haven't even seen the nudist colony yet.
No, nudist time.
Alright, hey guys, welcome back to It's Real with Matt. Here's Ben.
G'day guys, welcome back to Built Prado. Thanks for coming today. Hit the like and subscribe button. Yeah, cheers.
Putagata, here's Salah.
Hit that little bell button to get updates and notifications of every new video.
Just a great B-roll. Put it in my part.
You're on record.
Nick, do it for the news. You tap. Alright Nick, cooking segment. Cooking for Dummies Part 4. Dinner.
For dinner we got these homemade pasta salads, we made them. What really makes it taste authentic is if you make labels for them, so they taste even better.
Look how healthy our fridge looks. Just Fanta iced coffee and chocolate. And then what do we got in here? Oh, honey soy chicken kebabs.
Yeah.
Barbecue sauce.
It's like acrylic.
Oh, this is right in the bed. Oh, this is the main event. Barbecue, oh yeah.
Boobs and bangers.
Hey Built Prado fans, just wanted to document this event that's happening right now. We've actually never seen Matt Preston cook before, so this is the first ever, so we just thought we'd document it. And
The swag gets it.
So this is a big moment for Matt. Matt, what do you have to say today?
I'd like to thank my mum and Sully for helping me through this.
What are you cooking?
Chicken. That's pre-made for someone else.
I'm so proud of you, Matt.
What are you like filming it? You're filming it like my or something.
Doing it for food.
Troopy. Actually, no, because you wouldn't want a troopy.
Nick, really? How's your night?
It wasn't too bad. I was sleeping underneath it. Like under it.
Is it wet under there?
No, it was actually so dry. I was out there and it was dry, but I was getting cramped up because it's pretty small. So then I moved in here and then I got drenched because the rain was coming in sideways. And yeah, apart from that, it wasn't too bad.
Better than sand?
Not good.
How was your night last night?
Not good. Well, yeah, dry on this side where my head was, but everything down there is wet. And then it just kept dripping through the holes in my face all night. But it could have been worse.
Could have been worse. And your mattress is soaking wet.
The other end's worse.
But you stayed the whole night.
Yeah, I stayed the whole night.
Alright, Sal, how did your sleep go?
Great, great.
You're right.
Dry as a bone.
It is literally so dry. Oh, it's damn.
But this is interesting. Oh. I mean, you still got your balls, so you can play with them.
Oh, I can still play with my balls. Great.
Damage.
That's savable.
Click on that side still.
So my night was pretty devastating, to be honest. I probably had the hardest night out of everyone. The rain, there was a little gap about that big in the corner of my tent, and my big toe got slightly wet, and it was absolutely ruined my night. Other than that, I forgot to put my phone in the little pocket, and I rolled onto it once, and it sort of grazed my arm, so I had to put it in the pocket. That's pretty much it. So pretty bad last night. My brand new pillow that I bought at the IGA was fantastic though.
Okay, this is how my setup held up. So, the bottom of my swag, my sleeping bag was a bit wet, but the rest of it was actually pretty cozy. And I gotta say, it's probably the driest out of everyone. I didn't have to move at all throughout the night, so pretty happy with it. But I should have made my legs smaller, so I could have definitely been 100% sealed in. But you know, compared to some others, it's held up pretty good.
And it's because he cheated. It's because he cheated and brought a drill and a tarp from the camping section, which is against the rules.
Tools aren't from the camping section.
Where was the top from?
Came on.
Which section?
Glamping.
Okay guys, let's stay at the camp. Everyone's packing up now. We want to do a challenge again, but we'll make it. Everyone has 3 bits of timber and 1 tarp. We'll try it maybe. So thanks for watching. Sully's thing didn't really work at all pretty much. He slept in the car. But until next time guys, catch you on Built Prado. Yo!
I just like the